It's a Paw Paw Parade car show.
Oh, there you go. It's the car show here at Paw Paw, right at the school. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of shiny metal here. I'm not going to be able to show everything. That would just take too daggone long. But we'll hit the highlights. Let's just do a walk by here. Wow.
Gumby and Pokey's not here, but there's a green tractor.
Yeah, I see it. I'm just checking out. Is this a 56?
That's exactly what we need.
50.
Oh, you know what? Hey, I got some with me.
1950 Mercury.
Wow.
Are they showing like
Want to give you another announcement, another reminder for the shuttle. The shuttle is boarding in front of the shuttle will bring you back at 11:45.
Of course, I got to get the Model T. Oh my goodness. No, that don't look like a factory side valve. Or a planetary tranny, but it's still pretty nice. Look at that 55. Yeah, it's cute.
It's the building with the American flag right in front of it.
Oh my goodness.
Your car will not get judged if it's not registered. This must be done before judging can begin at 11 a.m.
This is a real beauty here.
Judging this year, something new that we're doing. Judging will begin at 11 a.m. and will end at 12:30. So you might want to start looking now at all the cars that's here and think now about what vehicles you want to win the top 40 awards. Ballots will be distributed at 11 o'clock.
That's beautiful.
And there will be one ballot for automotive. And that's
Okay, 69 Camaro.
Visit All-Pro Automotive for all your car services. Additional donations for the car show were provided
That's real
by
beauty too.
the Bank of
Cal
Raleigh,
induction.
Carlisle Events, Cummings Motor News, McGuire's Incorporated, Morgan Messenger, RockAuto.com, Stoner Car Care
Okay.
To warm up.
Okay, and this is all in the front yard, right in front of
These two
the
numbers will win you
Paw Paw
a
High
$10
School.
Walmart gift card, and those numbers are 542.
It's a big event out here.
197.
Okay, let's take a look at this 57.
Music.
Now that's
Don't
a
forget about
beauty
the
there.
shuttle. We're getting ready to pull out if they haven't already.
What do we got under here?
All right. Here's Alan Jackson.
Wow. Appears to be a small block. Well, being that it says 383 right on top, it's probably a board and stroked small block. More crate engine. Right there it says do not touch. Whew. Let's go around the other side. That's a beauty. Oh my goodness. Check out the, oh look at this, look at the trunk. Wow. Oh, check out the Model A. Take a look down the rumble tree here. And he's got a spare.
It's the Bonnie and Clyde mobile.
What's this?
Yes, they're done and everything.
A gun. Oh, look at there. Got the gangsters at the ready.
That's the ready for a getaway. Old-fashioned suitcases. They're ready to go.
Oh yeah, they're ready to go.
See the instant shelter? Don't drool on the cars.
I need a bib. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, check out the racing harness, the pistol grip. Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you need to give out this. These guys are phenomenal.
No kidding. Look at the interior. Now that big old 440. Wow. And check it out. The block is painted the same color. It's all color coordinated. That's terrific. What do we got over here? Oh my goodness, another one. That's an Angry Bird.
That is an angry. That's the original Angry Bird.
Wow.
Yeah. A lot of good cars.
Got to get an interior shot. They do a lot of work on these cars. Okay. What's a day in the park without food vendors? You got people over here grilling meat.
He's making ham sandwiches with an axe. All them charging for water. He's not even using that.
Oh, and over here we got dessert.
Don't charge you for water.
What's there?
Yeah, cupcakes for $1. There were.
Got dessert over here.
I was supposed to pee. Somebody was like sweet cordial or something.
Oh, there's a nice view here. You got all the cars. Got the mountain in the background. Right over there, you got the firehouse. Check out the old flatty. What's that? On the window sticker there, it says it's a 1945. Wow. Old side valve engine.
Exxon station. So Essence had one, had Model T Ford, had a car together.
Wow.
Really. I've got parades all the time. That old Model T.
How y'all doing?
Hey, how are you? Restore compared to. Well, you know, the guy that did this.
What always gets me is the shackles on these things. It's like a little J-hook. Punch buggy.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's
See,
come
this
close.
foot's 2 inches shorter, 1 inch wider than that one.
Ooh, look what we got here. $65 in pallet. Oh, I like that shifter.
Thank you. Draw another one. So I'm going to give you
What's this we got over here?
now. The one that I called before was 542216. 542216.
I'm thinking
I also
50.
have another one for the ticket number 542244. 542244. If you have not already registered your car for the
That's
show,
nice.
go right now to the bring the pen from your goodie bag.
All right.
Again, vehicle owners.
Gotta get the
please
vet.
come to the registration table and pick up your voting ballot.
66,327.
Bring your pen in your goodie
That's a
bag.
beauty.
Goodie bag. There will be one voting ballot per registered vehicle. Voting needs to be finished and your ballots need to be returned by 12:30. Again, I want to give a shout out to our food vendors. It's getting pretty close to that time when you
426
start feeling that little
wedge
rumbly
cross
in your
ram.
tumbly. Almost having taters.
What does that say?
Has butterfly
1964 Plymouth
potatoes, fresh cut fries, corn dogs, fried pickles,
Savoy.
funnel cakes, and lemonade. Also,
That's a
the
beauty,
Paw
too.
Paw High School STEM Club, they're doing awesome work. They got to watch the MMS satellite
size of that trunk.
launched from Cape Canaveral.
Oh, look at the vents on the battery.
So,
That's cool.
They're doing awesome work. They made a model of the MMS
Okay,
satellite.
let's check out this
Featured some local news sources.
truck.
Doing awesome work. Please go and support them. They have
there's something
hamburgers,
going on
hot
here.
dogs, beer broths, potato salad,
Oh,
macaroni
yeah.
salad, and
Blown
baked
small
beans.
block.
The Paw Paw Lions Club has ham and corn on the cob. And also the Great Cape Inn Volunteer Fire Company Ladies Auxiliary is having a bake sale, and they're located right next to the
1988
Lions
Chevy
Club
S10.
tent and down from the high school STEM Club tent. So go and support them. Okay, let's get back to the music.
That don't look like a stock interior either. Check out that custom
Here's
dash.
John Cougar Mellencamp with a classic.
Oh, look at that bed. It's a faux finish, but it's still kind of classy. Oh, what's this? A 69 Camaro. Let's take a look at this little beauty. What we got here? Small block Chevy. Dual quad Edelbrocks. Here's a 1948 Chevy truck. My wife says, it's leering at me, it's leering at me. So I came over, you know what? It is! That's a 454 under there. That's a beautiful job. That body is dead straight. Let's take a look in here. Wow, the interior is just as nice as the exterior. Oh, somebody caught me.
Everybody calls his son a professional student. 'Cause he
Okay,
goes
that's
to
a real wood
research,
bed there.
And he got so much education.
That ain't no faux finish.
Nobody could hire him. You know, you're overeducated.
Lubricated.
My younger brother's oldest son has been going to school.
Wow.
And he ain't nowhere near it. Okay.
Okay, check this out. 32 Ford Victoria, or Vicky for short. No, I do not believe that's the factory flathead V8 there. Small block Chevy, dual quads, and a beautiful paint job. Hello. Oh, yours? Yeah. It's beautiful.
It is though.
Yes, 'tis. The gratuitous interior shot. Got some serious speakers back here. Idea behind the Vicky was to give a little storage space behind the seats. And that one's a beauty. Wow. Here comes the judge.
Oh yeah.
Shoot, I remember when these were coming out new. Come on, I'm not that old. Oh my goodness, look at this 70 Chevelle. That ain't no small block under the hood.
They're gold line bias flowers. This car
Now that's-
white walls from the factory.
That's the way I like
Somebody
it.
put the gold lines on.
Lots of rubber around them wheels.
Road lines that people either love them or hate them. We get mixed feelings.
This car looks really good. Red line tires. Not right.
Hi, Lisa.
Not right.
Hang on.
I gave me a call out pass. I said I ain't gonna call out.
Man, it's a pretty one here. That says 454, Cal induction.
Out west.
Do not touch.
Get in. Sit.
Well, here's a special for my sister, sister-in-law. It's 6-cylinder, but it's still pretty shiny. Love them Kragers. Hello. Beautiful day. Oh, what do we got over here? Another Mustang. Red line tires. I think I saw Lisa ducking behind it. Look at that engine compartment. That's clean. Oh, look, we got a model with this one.
Wish you were here.
Get the gratuitous interior shot.
Go right to the trunk.
Okay, right to the trunk, Lisa says. Oh, nice.
What the hell is the Subaru doing parked between two Mustangs?
I don't know. I don't know, but I'm going to check out this Model A. Now, I saw from a distance, looked like he had 3 deuces. Oh, there you go.
It's a big part.
Lots of meat in the back. Beautiful interior.
Show it to you. Give you a good price.
Okay, I'll trade you even up for my camera.
Yeah, I got a Chevelle off case.
It's a lot easier to carry in your pocket.
I need this one.
I'm looking at the Model A.
Hey, don't bother. Where'd you get that thing in the hat at? I don't know. Some goddamn idiot gave it to me. I just figured I should wear it.
Oh, check out the Mach 1. Oh, that's a beauty. That's straight. 428 Cobra Jet. Oh my goodness. Another beautiful interior engine compartment. We'll get to the interior in a minute. Very much goodness. Oh, check it out. It's got the Hearst T handle. Lisa, I want a shifter like that.
It's on our bucket list, dear. As soon as you win the lottery.
Oh, they're not expensive.
No West
And of
Virginia car show would be complete without the main transportation mode of
Oh, gotta get the tractor. There you go. We'll probably see more of those on the parade a little later. Oh, look at that where the tranny case has been welded. That's a working tractor there. Welded up, repaired, kept going. Here, let's get the interior shot. Okay.
It's kind of orange.
Okay. This is a beauty here. It says up there, 1952 Dodge Coronet Club Coupe. And I take it that's a 427. I expected to see a Mopar engine in there. Nice clean interior. Wow, that's nice. Let's take a look at this little 66 fastback here. That's a beauty too.
And the fuzzy dice is standard.
Oh yeah, I'll get a shot of that fuzzy dice. Of them layers fuzzy dices. Gratuitous interior shot. Fuzzy dice, I guess it comes standard. Wow. Nice. You know they have these every year. Oh. Looks like he's getting ready to open the hood.
The younger days.
What year is this one?
93.
93. My sister-in-law loves Mustangs, so I'm getting shots of lots of Mustangs so I can tease her. This is a nice one too. Whoa, check this out. Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires. Check this out. How's it going? What we got under here? It's all tubbed in the back. Wooden bed. Man, I bet this thing's a blast to drive. Look at that interior. Okay, the bathrooms are in the school, so.
That one's for Miss Paw Paw.
Oh,
And that one's for the lower seat.
oh, check it out. It's got a picture of the Paw Paw tunnel on it. I don't know if it's coming through, but take my word for it.
That looks like Ken over there in the orange.
Yeah, we're going into school.
That's Ken.
It said no.
Oh,
I thought it said no Smurfs.
wow. Check this out. Our little school right here in Paw Paw got all these trophies and stuff.
Going right back to 1958
Wow.
and beyond.
So which way are they? Well, looky there. The first graduating class in 1949. Why, that's the same year our house was built. Right here in town. Isn't this cool? Here's somebody dedicated to running. Oh, I was pointing at something. What we got over here?
And just to show that we're not totally out of date and backwoods back here, here's our yearbook picture instructions.
But first, let me take a selfie. Oh my goodness. So we're not as backwards as people say we are.
We know what a selfie is.